Welcome to the RabidMining YouTube channel, and today we are checking out the Deeper Connect Pico. What is the Deeper Connect Pico? It is a decentralized private network. The Deeper Connect Pico from Deeper Connect is the decentralized gateway and infrastructure for Web 3.0, a more secure, private, and fair internet for everybody. To understand a DPN, we must first know what a VPN stands for. A VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. In basic terms, a VPN provides an encrypted server and hides your IP address from corporations, government agencies, and would-be hackers. I'm kind of chuckling there because most VPNs are on centralized servers, which are from large corporations and probably have government attachments to it. Only thing you're really safe from would probably be would-be hackers. Continuing on, a VPN protects your identity even if you are using public or shared Wi-Fi, and your data will be kept private from any prying internet eyes. A VPN circumvents your personal ISP. Instead of sending your internet connection to a hosted server, with servers located all over the world, users have the ability to relocate themselves and access the internet from nearly anywhere. Encryption adds an extra layer of security, particularly for businesses that are frequently utilizing remote access. It can also be a helpful tool for travel, gaming, and streaming. So now that we understand a VPN, we know what a DPN, other than the fact now we are decentralized instead of being on these large corporation servers being pointed all over the place. Everybody that has one of these Deeper Connect devices act as their own node. So we're all bouncing off each other, acting as we're located somewhere else in the world. You can get around Netflix blocks, Twitter blocks, potential exchange blocks, anywhere that wants to make you think you are somewhere else. That is what this is used for. It is ran by us, the people, and not by large corporations or potential governments. I do want to give a shout out to Mining Haven, who actually sent me this device to try out. This is the new Deeper Connect Pico DPR miner plus Wi-Fi antenna. Yes, we did not look or talk about any type of mining yet, but this does mine the DPR coin. This also has integration for potential helium mining as well. So a lot of options going on with a lifetime VPN in a single small box. If we look back, we see $199.99 here, and Deeper Connect themselves have a sale for $225. So Mining Haven is currently one of the cheapest places to pick this up. If you're looking to pick up the Deeper Connect Pico DPR miner plus VPN, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now for home use setup or virtual wire mode, all you gotta do is place the Deeper Connect in between your modem and your router by the provided USB-C to Ethernet cables. You plug it into each end, and then it will be set. Everything coming from your modem will go through the Deeper Connect and then out through your router. Your whole house is then secure. You can also take this on the go to an internet cafe or whatever. Use the wireless mode. It will be powered by your laptop or whatever you are using through USB, and then simply plug in the antenna, wirelessly link into the network that you plan on using, and then you will have enterprise protection no matter where you are. When you first go to log in, you're going to need IP on a wired internet is just 34.34.34.34, and you'll come to the username and password. Default is admin and admin for both username and password. That will log you in to the Deeper Connect Pico. First thing you are going to want to do is scroll down to administration and password, and then quickly change your password so no one no longer knows the default settings. Once you're done that, now you can go through all your settings. So this is the main dashboard. On the right, we can see everything that's coming in and out based on internet traffic. We can see everything that's going on here, what's being blocked, what's trying to, use what IP and from where. Where things get interesting and what most of you guys are probably going to use is the DPN mode here and the tunneling. So first we're going to go through the mode. There are three modes. We got DPN Smart mode, which is what I use and most of you will probably use, or you can use DPN full route, or obviously disabled. Disabled, it's shut off. You're not really using any type of DPN. Full route, you will then pick a tunnel, which will be your country. Any country, it's not the country you live, it's the country you want to utilize. Me being from Canada, if I want to utilize everything from being in the United States, I would simply click this. Then all traffic will be routed to a United States IP based on someone else throughout there using the Deeper Connect as well. Again, I am using DPN Smart Route, and this is where we're gonna, figure out our tunneling. So here's our tunneling. This is where you can choose if you want to use a different country that's not in the default settings here. You can simply go to select a region here. Let's scroll down. Let's just find something. Let's go to something in the UK here. How about Malaysia? Malaysia here. We're gonna select a country within it. We can go to Fiji. So now we're gonna add Fiji. So now if anyone in Fiji has this, we can now utilize their IP and pretty much say we're from Fiji. We can get Fiji Netflix or whatever from that point on. Routing is where you select everything at the point. So right now I don't have anything in here other than Netflix. I'm going to delete this to show you what's going on. A lot of you guys are probably going to utilize this for Netflix or something. So you insert the domain that you want routed throughout the world. So here we're just going to go netflix.com, and we don't have to put the HTTP or anything. None of that is needed, just straight main organization on its .com address. Now we're going to select the tunnel. So I want this to go right now. I'm in Canada. We can pick East Europe, any country. We can pick Fiji, which we did, West Europe, any country, depending on the settings in the previous screen. I'm going to go to North America and choose the United States. I'm going to add that. And now you can see Netflix, anytime I go to it, will be routed through North America into the United States, granting that now I will be watching Netflix from a United States IP, and it'll open up that Netflix catalog. We're going to try it right now just to show you. I am now typing in Netflix. I'm hitting OK. It's going to open up to our thing. Who is watching? We're going to pick myself. Now you can see, look at that. Number 5 in USA Today, and it's not saying in Canada, which it usually does. So that's the basics of setting up your smart routing process. Now we also have other things in here like dashboard for web filter. So we're going to go through the web filter. You can see you can enable or disable anything. We can see we have blocked ads. We've already blocked 4,100 ads, queries, percentage of traffic that has been blocked. So it looks like this has been blocking about 6% of the traffic. We got some malicious stuff blocked here, and total inquiries going through everything. So this is where you set all your rules and filters for the internet itself. It's also got child friendly things, so you can get rid of anything from showing up for your kids if you really want to save them from any type of harmful content accidentally popping up on the internet. Now, if we had mining set up and configured right now, it would show up underneath the Wi-Fi tab just above sharing. I do not have that implemented yet. I'm trying to get the coins and everything together. We will be looking at DPR mining in a future video here, utilizing this Deeper Connect Pico. But right now, like I said earlier, we're just focusing on the DPN part of this whole thing. Now, depending on your internet package alone, if you have unlimited bandwidth, obviously it's not going to affect you as much. Some people might have slower internet, or maybe even potentially still dial up. This is where you're going to want to go into the sharing config, and you're going to want to set bandwidth and traffic type of levels. Now remember, we're not mining yet, but if we were mining, you do have to share your connection to stay online and continue earning those coins. Right now, I'm not mining, so it doesn't matter. I could shut off all this sharing traffic, but then it kind of kills the fact about being decentralized. So it is recommended to share your IP as well with everyone else so that they can use you to browse Canadian things if need be. But this is where you would set it up, and that's under sharing and the sharing config. All right, guys, so that pretty much does wrap up this DPN video. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and bell notification if you are looking to pick this up. Check the links in the description below, and we will be checking out mining on this in the future. So as always, have a great day, and Rabid out. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't seen one of these, be sure to check them out. And if you already seen them, maybe you missed something, might have to watch it one more time. And if you just let it play in the background, that's all right as well. I do try to live stream every weekend as well as every couple days during the week, so be sure to be subscribed so you don't miss that. As always, have a great day.